What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix lag and speed up your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you've noticed that your iPhone is lagging or just not performing as swiftly as it used to, don't worry, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to get your device running smoothly again. One of the first places to look is the background app refresh settings. This feature allows apps to update their content in the background, which, while useful, can significantly slow down your device. To adjust these settings, head to Settings, scroll to General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Here, assess which apps really need to be refreshed in the background. For most apps, the answer will likely be no, especially for heavy hitters like Facebook, which are known to consume a lot of resources. Turn off the refresh of these apps to reduce the load on your iPhone's processor. Next up, let's tackle push mail, which keeps your iPhone constantly checking for new emails, using up valuable processing power. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down a bit, tap on Mail, select Accounts, and then tap Fetch New Data. Turning off push at the top and selecting a less frequent fetch interval, such as every hour, can make a big difference. Remember, your emails will still be fetched whenever you open the Mail app. Yet another way to speed up your iPhone is disabling low power mode. For those unaware, it's a feature designed to extend your battery life by reducing your iPhone's performance and limiting background tasks. While useful in a pinch, low power mode actually slows down your device. To disable it, navigate to Settings, tap Battery, and ensure low power mode is turned off to keep your iPhone running at optimal speed. Widgets on your home screen can also slow down your iPhone. With the introduction of iOS 14, widgets have become more prevalent. They're essentially mini apps running in the background and can bog down your device. Consider removing unnecessary widgets, especially those from resource-intensive apps like Facebook. To remove a widget, simply press and hold it and select Remove Widget. Keeping your apps and iOS up to date is crucial for preventing bugs that can slow down your device. To update apps, open the App Store, tap on your account icon, and either update all apps or select individual apps to update. For iOS updates, go to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update, and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Another key factor in maintaining a speedy iPhone is ensuring you have enough storage space. The operating system needs space to operate efficiently, so head to Settings, tap General, and then iPhone Storage to review your storage usage. Consider deleting unnecessary apps or content to free up space. Lastly, clearing your Safari cache can also improve performance. Over time, the cache can grow and slow down your browsing experience. To clear it, go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data, which can be found by scrolling down the Safari settings menu. This action can free up some of the iPhone's resources and speed up your web browsing. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.